Welcome to the Adobe After Effects video editing tutorial. Today we will learn how to create an animated logo from text using Adobe After Effects. Alright, let's begin the tutorial. Add a new composition, and set the duration to 7 seconds. Add new text. Change the font, size, design, and text position accordingly. Pre-compose the text. Change the name to Logo, and select Move All Attributes. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Vegas. Add the Vegas effects to the logo. Set strength to 4, blend mode to transparent, width to 4, and hardness to 1. Change the color. You can select any light color. Move the playhead at the starting point. Set the length value to 0. At the starting point, add keyframes for length and rotation. Move the playhead at 1 second and 40 frames duration. Set the length value to 1 and the rotation value to +90. Change the end opacity value to 1. If you want to view the keyframes, just press U. Now duplicate the logo using Ctrl+D. Select the duplicated logo, and change the color. Set the width value to 2. You can see the differences by using the hide key. Pre-compose the duplicated logo, and change the name to Shadow. Go to Effects and Presets and search for CC Radial Fast Blur. Add effects to the shadow. Set zoom to brightest and amount to 90. Set the center position accordingly. Move the playhead at the starting point and add keyframe to center. Move the playhead at 1 second 40 frames. Change the position of the center. Duplicate the shadow using Ctrl+D. Select the duplicated shadow, and press T. It will show the opacity option. Move the playhead to 30 frames position, and change the opacity to 0. Add the keyframe to the opacity. Move the playhead to 1 second 40 frames, and set the opacity to 20. Move the playhead to 2-second 40 frames, and set the opacity to 10. You can see the changes by using the hide key. Set 3D for all the layers. Select the below layer shadow, and change the amount of CC radial fast blur value to 80. Select all the layers, and pre-compose. Change the name, and select Move All Attributes. Add a new white color solid. Move the white solid to the below track, and check the preview. Now make the logo 3D. Using the 3D option, you can change the angle of the logo. If you want to change color or effects parameters, you can easily do it by double-clicking on the pre-compose. You can also change the background and shadow color using an adjustment layer. Add an adjustment layer. Go to Effects and Presets, and add Effects Tint. Here you can change the background and shadow color. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.